I've done a whole lot of collecting and a whole lot of DIY, and I cannot wait to show you the final product. So come on in. If you've been watching my last few episodes, you've seen a lot of this bathroom already done, but today I'm going to show you it all completed. From my shower curtain to my DIY artwork, I have loved every part of it. It has really wiped me out, to be honest with you. It has taken me a lot longer than I thought it would to complete, but it looks great all together, and I couldn't be prouder. I think I might take a few weeks off from doing any more DIY projects, but to tell you the truth, I've got things saved and collected for other rooms in my house, so I'll be doing that soon. Here is that milk glass canister that I made the lid for to store those Epsom salts, and it's so cute, and I didn't have to buy anything new for it. The wine bottle back there has bubble bath in it. I liked the raised decoration on the bottle, so I just saved it and put my grandson's bubble bath in it. These are old Noxzema bottles and I think something else, but I don't know. I just made using the paper clay molds from IOD. I decorated the lids for them and put these little knobs on it, and I just think they're so adorable. This little dish here I found at the Laurel Mercantile in Laurel, Mississippi when I was looking for the hometown show that's on HGTV. I went to look for their little shop and picked up that as a little souvenir. I wanted to show you up close the wall stencil. If you haven't checked that out, I have that previous video where I showed how I did this. And it was really super simple, but it took me a little while to get it done. But I love it. It has made the perfect impact on these walls. The pale blue towel I found at Target, and the top towel was a Pottery Barn find I got a couple of years ago. This is my milk glass collection. It's just the planters that I have. But the corbels I found at Round Top a few years ago and just added a piece of plywood and painted it on top. This rack, or little clothing hook, was actually in my daughter's bathroom, and I thought it would look much better in mine. So I took it down. I'm putting the black hook that I had up there before in her bathroom. Put a mirror that I already had in here. It's not quite a full-length mirror. I bought it at Hobby Lobby a few years ago, but it does the trick. It lets me see how I look, and I'm okay with it. I can't tell you how much I really like this barn door thing. Because I have that up there, I don't have to worry about putting anything on the other side of the door, like my vanity that I have in there now. And those are those little pictures that I found at the estate sale that I showed you. I bought all three for $5, and they are so cute. And there's my DIY artwork that I shared with you in the last video. Like I said, I just love how everything has come together. If you haven't seen my video yet on how I turned these builder-grade cabinets into this vanity cabinet, I will link it in the description box. there's a little bit more of my milk glass that stores cotton balls, and the other, I guess it was a planter. I have cotton swabs in there. But that lamp that I found at Deseret Industries for $3 looks perfect. It looks so cute in here. And this is just a shelf that I had. And in that same haul, at that estate sale, I found that little Avon clock and put it up there. And if you remember my DIY on fixing up that picture, that is one of those that didn't break. And so I have it up there, and see how it looks really good against that wall. Here's that plate tier that I found at the Pottery Barn outlet. And I linked it in the description box, not knowing that it wasn't really a clearance item. It was something that's still sold at full price at Pottery Barn. And here's a few more of my plates that I've used to decorate. And this clock, I believe I found at Hobby Lobby. I do need to put a battery in it because that's not the time. That bottle I used to store my mouthwash, and I found it at World Market. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. Thank you so much for watching. That's pretty much it. I think that I deserve a glass of wine after that. It was really fun, and I couldn't be prouder of how it turned out. I love it, and I love spending time in here and in my closet. I love, after redecorating my bedroom, how that looks. I do need to add the beadboard, like I said, to the back wall, but I just need a little bit of time off from it. I really appreciate all of your wonderful comments, and thank you so much for watching and joining me. And I cannot wait to show you what I do next. So I will see you in the next video. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. Your head.